Hello, hello. I pray you're doing wonderful this morning, this evening, whatever time you get to watch this. Here's another makeup look. I felt like doing my brows, y'all. Yeah, so I concealed my brows really well because I wanted a really sharp and defined look. Now I'm going into some really earthy tones. This is just literally 4 steps. I went into that lighter yellow, then I went into that orange, and I am just centering that in the crease of my eye. And then I go to that darkest orange color and I am just patting. I'm not swiping. I'm literally patting or tapping in a circular motion so that it can just really sit on the eye. And this is pretty pigmented, so I'm not going to lose color, but I just really want that corner to be bold. With that color, I'm laying it right on top and it's blending in beautifully. And I'm just really patting and going in a circular motion because I just want the colors just to sit there. I went into another palette using a different gold to make it a little more gold and less orangey in that front area of my eye. Now, as you can see, I'm using this gel liner to create a thin line. I'm not winging it out. I'm just literally going over the shape of the top of my eye and my waterline. What I do to one eye, I'm doing to the other in case it's not recorded. Now, after this, I like to smudge it a little. Remember, it dries really quickly if you've been watching my other videos, so it doesn't smudge a whole lot, but it does take out the harshness of a line, and that is just a personal preference. So I felt like I needed to really deepen my contour, so I'm going to go back over that a couple times, but right here I'm going into some orange and kind of smudging out underneath my waterline. That duo glue for my lashes, I love them. So I'm letting my lashes kind of set while I go back over my cheeks, do the highlight, more bronze, and then I put on my mascara, top and bottom lashes, setting that concealer under my eye with what was left over from the loose powder that I used to go underneath my eye, my forehead and all of that. And now adding my lashes. I put a little bit too much glue, but it's going to dissolve. I'm using that eyeshadow as a blush and I love how that turned out. And this is the look. Now it's time for my lips. This beautiful chestnut color goes perfect with those orangey tones that's in the eye. Then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Hot Sand nude color, but I'm going to tone it down a little bit by adding some LA Colors lip gloss in the color Heavenly, which is a beautiful color that is great to go over your lipstick to make it a little glossy or to wear alone. Then I take my setting spray, of course, and spray, and we're done.